at Surrey Place, heading down to Compuclinic. Compuclinic is a company that sells all kinds of computer stuff you're about to see. And today we're doing an unboxing of a Lenovo ThinkPad what?
L580.
L580. So that's what we're doing today. And yeah, by the way, that was the manager of Compuclinic, and I'm entering the place. Those are the people you see. They're waving. Yeah, so let's do this. Interview, okay, cool. Yeah, like I said, I'm at Compuclinic and I'm chilling with KG,
Kagiso Mabalani.
Kagiso Mabalani.
Yes, sir.
Cool. So, yeah, man, this is an interesting machine here. Could you tell me about the specs of it? Because all I know so far it's a Lenovo ThinkPad, and I know I can use it for video editing, but just go into detail for it.
The machine is an i5,
i5,
8 gig RAM, 256 gigabytes SSD.
Okay.
Yeah, 8th gen, and it has your latest Intel V Pro technology.
Okay.
Yes, and it has your latest Intel Core processors.
Okay.
8th gen.
It's an 8th gen.
Yeah,
i5.
and the screen is 15.6 inch.
Cool. That's pretty big for an editor if you're a videographer, a photographer like myself, even a graphic designer, I believe. But that obviously cannot be the only customer for this product. So who else would you think can use this and be happy with it?
It would have to be corporate. Not even in the corporate world, it's mostly your CEOs, your directors.
Yeah.
Yes, and military.
Yeah.
Yeah, military, they use ThinkPad. But also it does accommodate students.
Okay.
Yeah, it does accommodate your
The
average end user also, depending on the use for what they're buying the laptop for.
Okay. All right. Okay. So it's a pretty big machine, honestly, and I just wonder about the price range, because usually when you hear such specs on a laptop, you're looking at spending between 17 to 25,000 in my experience. So what is the price point for this here at Compuclinic? How much are you selling this for? And is it affordable for a student, as you said? Is it affordable for a, let's say, an amateur photographer or videographer? So what is the price range that you guys are selling it for here at Compuclinic?
Well, an amateur photographer or videographer is making money, even though they're an amateur, so they can afford this.
Yeah.
And corporates should be able to afford this also.
They can afford everything.
Yes.
Can't they? Yeah.
Yes, they should be.
Yeah.
Students, they would have to save for this. Yes.
So is it pricey?
Yes, it is pricey. I mean, on retail prices, 18 to 20K.
Yeah.
And we're selling it for 15K, 14K.
My God.
15K, that's it?
Yeah.
For all the specs?
For all the specs.
What's the catch?
We save you money.
So no other catch?
No other catch.
You save yourself about 4,000 to 5,000 with this computer here, if I get to buy it here.
Yes.
So how do I buy it? Should I come into your office? Is there a way to buy it online, gets delivered to me? Is there a shop that I go to and buy this from?
You can do an online purchase. We have an online store, CShop.co.za. Yes, you can place your order there, and we'll deliver it to you wherever you are in SA. You can even come to our store physically. Yeah. Yes, and also have a look around. You might be interested in some of the things we have here in stock, because it's not everything that is online. Not everything is online, sorry.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, makes sense. Okay, there you have it, guys. Myself will review this Lenovo ThinkPad with an Intel.
Yeah, we also have like one HDMI slot,
Oh, it has an HDMI slot.
Yeah, there's an
So you can put an
HDMI
extra
slot.
screen on this.
Yes, you can even put a SIM card on it.
A SIM card?
Yeah. You can.
This is a cell phone.
There you go.
Okay,
There's a
cool.
slot.
Okay, cool. We'll go into detail when it comes to that. I'm just gonna review it and probably get a chance to use it. I don't know. They will let me know, and if I do get a chance to use it, I'll let everybody know in my community of creatives that this is ideal for you to use. But so far, the specs, according to what I use and what I've used before, sounds really great. And for the price point, it's amazing. I'm actually mind blown. I expected 20,000 rands, and it's 14 to 15,000. So that's a bargain right there. Yeah, and
Yeah, you can switch it on, buddy.
moment of truth.
Moment of truth.